what are full mouth dental implants? Well, first, let's start with the question, who needs dental implants? Full mouth dental implants are ideal for the patient who has missing or broken teeth, might be in some pain, or someone who's already currently in a denture. What full mouth dental implants do is allow you to smile and laugh and function without having to worry about teeth that come in and out, and lets you chew and eat what you want, even stuff that you might not be able to chew and eat currently. When talking about full mouth dental implants, it's first good to talk about what is an implant. An implant is a piece of titanium that goes in your bone, and that implant holds up your teeth that we eventually place. That implant fuses with the bone in there and becomes solid, almost like a normal tooth that you would have now. So after those implants are in there, 4 to 6 implants allow us to set a full set of teeth. So you have chewing teeth so that you can eat what you want, as well as those aesthetic front teeth to make a perfect smile. Here at New Smile Columbus, we make our teeth out of a material called Zirconia, which is a super strong ceramic-like material that gives us the best possible aesthetics and function. So if you're curious about full mouth dental implants, or if full mouth dental implants are right for you, don't hesitate to make a consultation with us and we can see if we can help.